Riwruok mar kanise mar Kenya Coalition of Church Alliances and Ministries kwa jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo owek medo singo ne Jokenya. Singo amoko kapok otimo mano singo ndalo mag campaigns. Bende gikwa jatend piny mondo mi oket tenge mag rakore kata oketo kenge mag rakore gi midhiero ma okwako sectors mag somo, thieth kod arita kaachiel gi weche mag mibadhi ma osebedo karo chenro mag dongruok e thurka. Gimoro ni jatend piny bende winjore wi oganda ni mar en e osimbo mar kwe seche maliet mar siasa ochoko pachoka.
Members of the Fourth Estate, thank you. We appreciate you. We wish from the onset to categorically reject any suggestion or any perception that we are to blame as the church for the government's failure to meet the expectation of its citizens. We wish to commend His Excellency the President for taking a bold step to order the cancellation of the Jokenya and Ketrako Adani contracts. While it is regrettable that the decision was not taken much earlier, we believe it's always right to do the right thing. Mr. President, Kenyans are hurting economically. A sick population cannot be expected to meaningfully contribute to national development. The delay in reconstituting the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, is an issue that must be addressed urgently. There seems to be a general feeling from Kenyans that the top leadership is involved in corruption, and that's why it is condoning this evil and shielding those who are found culpable